tie railroad ties together. And I have a grinder here, and I'm going to let the grinder do some work on the nail, and thereby raise the temperature of the nail, and therefore the internal energy of the nail, by doing work rather than by adding heat, as we did with the water in the other room. Let me measure the temperature of the nail here with this digital thermometer. I've blunted the end of the nail and drilled a hole in it so I could put this thermometer probe into the nail. And so I'll put this thermometer into the nail, and we measure the temperature of the nail to be around, when this comes to equilibrium here, around 23 degrees Celsius. I'm going to show that we'll raise the temperature significantly above that 23 degrees Celsius by doing some work on the nail. And so I'm going to grind on the nail. So I've been grinding on the nail for about 20 seconds, and I'm going to put this probe in the nail and see what the temperature now reads of the nail. You can see it's up above 100 degrees Celsius, 170, 80, 190, 193. Should be hot enough to boil some water. So we've raised the temperature significantly of the nail. And if I put this probe back in the cool water here, measure the temperature of that water, and we'll see what this hot nail does to that water as I put the hot end of the nail back into the water. So now what I want to do is grind on the nail again, and this time, notice as I grind on the nail, there'll be some hot sparks flying off. The temperature of those sparks is hot because we're adding energy by doing work and raising the temperature of those little particles of matter that come off the sparks. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nail that's hot and the heat is being conducted up here near my finger, so I need to keep moving my hand back a little bit, and put it in the water and see if we can bring that water, at least locally near the end of the nail, to a boil. So let me go ahead and do some more grinding on this. And then I'll put it in the water here and watch for steam to form on the surface of this, near this end of the nail here as I put this in the water.